Yeah, that's cool, huh? So I take off today and it's sleeting. And my wiper flops off to the side like that. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so basically there's a little cap here and there'll be a bolt. And there's teeth in this arm and a little rod that sticks up. And the teeth interlock. So when you pop this cap off. Okay, so anyways, stick a screwdriver in it and then twist it like that. Pop this thing off. Go get that. So I just need to undo our bolt and then we can reset the arm here. Alright, then once the nut's off, you should be able to, you might have to wiggle it, but pop this off of here to reset it back on. Okay, so I use my crowbar to pry that off. So it goes over like that. There's little teeth on there that are supposed to engage little teeth on your wiper arm. And as you can see, mine are pretty much all gone. So I'm going to reset this, tighten it down nice and snug. And hopefully it'll hold. If not, I'm just going to end up having to JB weld it or something. Okay, so I got it set where I want it. This part pivots, so you're going to have to bend it up a little to get it to slide over. So I'm going to put this nut back on, and I'm going to really tighten it down and hope that it's enough for it to hold. Okay, I put it on there about as tight as I want to without stripping it out. So now I'm just going to flip them on high and see if they hold. Because when it came loose on me, I only had them on low. If not, I'm gonna either have to JB weld them or get new arms. I think we're good. Now if it goes off the side of the window like that, that's probably okay. But if you have it coming off the side here, then you just need to readjust it in the correct position so that it's not coming off the side of your window here.